Hello children, welcome back to your science class. So today we are going to discuss on the topic crop production management. India is an agricultural based country. In this country, agriculture sector engages about 70% of its population and accounts for 40% of the gross national products. Crop production management refers to controlling the various aspects of production to obtain maximum and best yield. It has following three main aspects: nutrient management. Nutrient management means controlling the selection, timing, and amount of nutrients supplied to the crops. Like other living organisms, plants also require inorganic element for building their structure and maintaining their metabolic properties. These organic elements are called as nutrients, so which are supplied to plants by air, water, and soil. There are about 40 elements found in plants ash, but only 16 of those elements are essential for plant growth and development. Out of these elements, 2 elements, carbon and oxygen, are supplied by air and hydrogen is supplied by water. Remaining 13 are supplied by soil. The nutrients taken from air and water are very important because they constitute 94 to 99.5% to the total plant tissue. Now, what are types of essential nutrients? First one is macronutrient and second one is micronutrient. So, macronutrients are essential elements which are present in plants in easily detectable quantities. Macronutrients take part in synthesis of organic molecules and development of osmotic potential. Carbon and oxygen from air and hydrogen from water are non-minerals. Out of 13 essential mineral elements, 6 are macronutrients, that is nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. Now let us talk about micronutrients. They are those essential elements which are present in plants in small quantities. All of them are mineral elements. Micronutrients are mostly involved in the functioning of enzymes. Out of 13 essential mineral elements, 7 are micronutrients, that is iron, manganese, boron, zinc, copper, molybdenum, and chlorine. Soil is the most important reservoir of the plant nutrient. Crop plants regularly withdraw minerals from the soil. Unless and until minerals are replenished at regular intervals, the crop plants develop disorders in the structure, growth, functioning, and susceptibility. Mineral replenishment is done through the addition of manure and fertilizers to the crop. Now, what are the different essential elements for plant growth? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, these are all macronutrients. Whereas iron, manganese, boron, molybdenum, copper, zinc, chlorine, nickel, cobalt, sodium, silicon, these are all micronutrients.